Hello, wbz-tv meteorologist Barry Burbank. Have your forecast for the next several days and take a quick look at what's been going on here in the month of February. Another astonishing month with all the red squares we've had here. And so far through yesterday, it's the 5th warmest February through the first 15 days of the month. How about that? That's crazy stuff. With the mean temperature departure a whopping plus 5 degrees. That is crazy, seeing what's been going on here this winter. It's sort of baffling to some of us forecasters that it's been this mild and with so much less snow. But it's all about the storm track. The storms have been coming too close along the coast. Therefore, there's been lots of changes to rain. That's why Boston and extreme eastern Massachusetts hasn't had much in the way of snow. But it was warmer going back to the February school vacations of the last couple of years, back in 2017 and 2018. Both those weeks, the Monday through Friday temperatures, look at those temperatures which happened the last 2 years for the February school vacation weeks. The high temperatures, the average was plus 16 degrees on both weeks. And in 2017, we had a 68 and a 73 on Thursday and Friday. And last year, on a Tuesday and Wednesday, we had 70 and 72 in Boston. But compared to that, to the projected temperatures of this coming vacation week, is definitely much colder than the last couple of years, with temperatures somewhat below average, at least the first half of the week, and getting back closer to average the second half of the week. Nevertheless, with all the mild weather we've had and not all that much snow in eastern Massachusetts, ski country is doing fantastic. The snow depths there and the resorts are very, very high. Lots of snow to ski on. Everything is wide open, including most of their glades. You can get some good skiing in there. You can do a lot of cross-country skiing. That's all open. That February school vacation last year, there wasn't much open for cross-country skiing, but they've got it this year, that is for sure. And that includes the resorts down here, even in Massachusetts. There's some pretty good skiing because they've been making snow. Look at this base depth at Wachusett, 23 to 53 inches. That's pretty good. Neshoba Valley, not too far away, 15 to 36, so they're looking good there for some skiing and snowboarding there. And the state of Maine looking excellent as well. So the ski forecast for this holiday weekend, calling for lots of clouds in western and northern New England. Over the northern mountains is going to be mainly cloudy with just a few breaks of sun today, and there could be a few snow flurries up there with a gusty breeze. Temperatures will be in the low middle 30s at best, probably mostly upper 20s and lower 30s there. A light wind with increasing high cloudiness tomorrow afternoon, starting out cold with the single numbers and teens tomorrow morning into the ski country up north. And then on Monday, just a few flurries way up north, but in the resorts down here in Massachusetts, maybe up into extreme southern Vermont and the Monadnock region of New Hampshire, there could be some light snow, with not amounting to all that much, maybe an inch or two. So today's highs will be around mid to upper 30s in Worcester County, to as high as around 40 to 43 around Boston. And a lot of people I know of going to Florida for the school vacation week. You find plenty of warm weather down there this week. No sign of any big cold snaps coming up for them. Meantime, big storms have been crashing into California, giving them some big rains in some spots and mudslides. And we have this system here, which is in a precarious position, sometimes to give us a storm, sometimes a big storm. But this one is going to be steered right straight out to sea, so we won't be concerned about that. So today, we go up to the upper 30s and lower 40s. And here's all the cloudiness across the northern mountains and western mountains, too, with some scattered snow showers up there. Now, the cloud cover this morning, which is over southeastern Mass, that's all going to move eastward. So we may start with a lot of clouds down there this morning, but it'll turn sunnier later this morning, especially this afternoon. Should be rather pleasant as we go up to the lower 40s. Then looking ahead to tomorrow morning, we start out in the teens in far Metro West westward, lower 20s in Metro West, nearby suburbs, to mid-20s in Boston, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then in the afternoon, we go up to the mid to upper 30s. So it's not going to be quite as mild tomorrow. And tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see a lot of high cloudiness coming on in. Thickening up tomorrow night, leading to some snow after midnight tomorrow night in eastern sections as it starts overspreading the region. We'll be around here for Monday morning. It's a holiday, so most people won't be out there, so it's not going to be a big impact storm. It's not going to be producing all that much snow either. But along the Cape and South Coast, it could be mixing with or changing over to rain there. We're probably going to get about an inch or two out of that, maybe some isolated totals to 3, but essentially 1 to 2 inches of most of southern New England, ranging down to just coatings as you got farther to the north. The northern mountains may be only getting a few flurries there. And if you're traveling on Monday, it looks like just some snow in parts of the southwest with temperatures there in the teens and 20s and 30s. 84 in Miami on Monday, 33 in Boston with that light snow, 32 or 33. So we get that snow coming in tomorrow night. There goes the system. It's not a powerful storm, just sort of a weak one, flat wave, which moves on out with this light snow. It'll be on out of here, and Tuesday ends up with high pressure and pretty good control. There goes the high, and then the next system comes up. This one, like many of its predecessors, the main storm goes west of us. The secondary storm takes over here and gives us snow, but probably a change to rain over southeastern Massachusetts up to Boston. And that one will be Wednesday night and Thursday morning after we get a little bit of snow Wednesday evening. So 2 storms this week. Both look to be minor, but essentially a cold week with below average temperatures many days, especially much colder than the last couple of February school vacation weeks. That's it for now. Have a nice weekend.